What are we doing today? Drunken potatoes. Oh yeah. So we went ahead and browned that bacon up first. We're gonna dump some onions and peppers into that bacon fat. We're just gonna flavor the onions and peppers as well as the onions and peppers flavor in the bacon fat. All right, we're gonna dump those on. Go ahead and brown those and caramelize those onions up and peppers, and then we'll add the potatoes. Now, as mentioned before, these are drunken Dutch oven potatoes. So we're gonna add in our bottle of beer. You can add beer, gives it a really nice earthly flavor, but you can also use like soda. You can throw a Sprite or a Mountain Dew in there. Here in Utah, Mountain Dew potatoes is a pretty big thing. I'm also gonna add a little bit of chicken stock into that. We're gonna start out with about 8 ounces. See if we need some more. Now guys, these things are my new favorite. These come washed. You don't have to cut them up. You don't have to do anything other than just dump them in. So we're gonna dump all those potatoes in there. Give that a little stir. So I'm gonna actually leave the lid off for a little bit and just let the liquid reduce. If I need to put the lid back on, I will. Or if I need to leave it off, just kind of depends on the situation. But we wanna reduce that liquid down, create kind of a gravy. It's gonna be coat the potatoes. It's gonna be super awesome flavor. All right, see how that liquid's reduced down into a nice little sauce? It's perfect. Next thing we gotta do, salt and pepper. Make sure you salt and pepper. Potatoes love salt, so you're gonna have to put quite a bit on there. You can go ahead and throw some herbs in there if you like. We throw cheese in here, throw some grated sharp cheddar. Fantastic, or just eat them like the way they are. All right, if you guys like what we're doing out here, go ahead, like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and we'll catch you guys later. I like to dance with my Dutch oven potatoes.